Let's get right into it. Once you buy your cake, you're going to put it into the freezer for about 30 minutes to firm up. Once it's firm, you're going to use a bench scraper or a sharp knife to remove the top design. Get as much of the top design and all the excess icing off as you possibly can. Okay, once you get all of your design off the top, you're just going to smooth it out to get it as flat as possible. Using a clean bench scraper, you're now going to go around the sides of the cake, removing the excess icing. This icing we want to keep to use for our watercolor design, so put it in a separate bowl. So we have the icing off the side of our cake. Now you're going to need a metal spoon. You're going to need to heat up your spoon. I'm using a blowtorch, but you can also dip the spoon in hot water or boiling water. And then you're going to use the hot spoon to make the icing smooth. Remember, the icing is a little stiff because the cake was frozen. So we're going to create a watercolor effect. We're going to take the back of the spoon dipped into the icing and randomly place the icing around the sides and the top of the cake. Using our bench scraper, we're going to spread that icing that we just placed on the cake around the cake. I'm heavy-handed, so right now it looks like I'm taking the icing off, but if you continue to watch, I go back and add more purple to get a deeper color on the cake. So now that we have our watercolor, we're going to add a splatter effect by using some gold luster dust and vodka. I am going to mix it up and I'm going to hold my brush near the cake and literally flick it to get the splatter effect on the cake. Make sure you go around the cake and the top of the cake. Another element we're going to add to give our cake a more custom feel is going to be a white chocolate drip. I melted some white chocolate candy wafers and I put it in a piping bag. You can also use a Ziploc bag for this, but I'm just going around the edge of my cake. Light pressure will give you shorter drips, harder pressure will give you longer drips. Last but not least, we're going to top our cake with some flowers. I got these flowers from Michaels. Feel free to get your flowers from Dollar Tree, Walmart, Michaels, Hobby Lobby. It's your choice to make your cake look how you desire. And there you have it. We turned a store-bought cake into a custom beauty. Thanks for watching.